Welcome to FlowShare, your automated documentation software that helps you document processes effortlessly and share knowledge efficiently. Today, you will learn how to make your own PowerPoint and Word templates compatible with FlowShare. Open the PowerPoint template that you want to store in FlowShare and switch to the Slide Master view. Now set the placeholders for images, description texts, and headings required for FlowShare. Click on the placeholder, then click on the Shape Format tab and display the selection pane. It is important that you name the placeholders correctly, as seen here: FS Picture, FS Text, and FS Title. Afterwards, save your template as a PowerPoint template in POTX format. Now open the PowerPoint export in FlowShare and add your own template in the template selection. Your template is now available for PowerPoint and also for FlowShare's PDF export. This is how our exported template looks like. As you can see, besides the necessary placeholders, you have the possibility to customize your template individually. We have added a background image, our font, our logo, a page counter, and the current date to our template. You can also create and integrate your own template in DOTX format for the Word export. Placeholders do not have to be set in the process. The position of the image, the text, and the heading is controlled directly via FlowShare. Displayed will be one image per page with the descriptive text below the image. Our exported Word template looks like this. Again, we have added a background image, our logo, and more information in the footer. You can also pre-store standard pages before the FlowShare process is automatically added in the export. For example, a title page with a picture of your company, tables, or a longer info text regarding the process. For more details on integrating your own template, click the link in the video description. We can't wait to see the great templates you'll create and export. See you next time.